Beautiful grill marks. Look at that juice just running down. Look at that. Smokeless infrared technology. Virtually no smoke. So we've been grilling lots of meat lately. We're on the carnivore diet, and we've been looking at a better alternative for stovetop cooking, and we picked up this Philips infrared smokeless indoor grill. This is the first time out of the box. Very nice looking device. It's got a nice non-stick grill plate that fits in here. And in the bottom here is a drip pan. And then I will turn this on. I think the directions are to turn it on to the warming function for a couple of minutes.
2 seconds.
How many?
2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Or
2 minutes. You're really not supposed to be looking at this infrared light. So I might be blinding my viewers here. Oh, there we go.
How do you not look at it?
So I had to tinker with the position of the camera so I'm not blinding you all. But these infrared lights here are really bright. So that's something that you need to consider actually for yourself. When you're cooking, you don't want to be like staring at this light. We're gonna let the grill heat up for about 5 minutes, but I'm not sure you really need to do that. Did the directions say that?
Yeah.
All right.
Just like guys are doing.
All right, so why don't you plop it on? We got a ribeye going on the grill. Nice sizzle. And a couple of filet mignon. Now the directions say that you're not supposed to flip them too many times because it'll dry the steaks out. And this is our first time cooking on this, so it's a little experimentation. We're gonna aim for about 15 minutes. So let me give you a little bit of the theory of what's going on. So you have this grate here that's a non-stick grill, and inside is a drip pan. The infrared lights are on either side, so they're aimed up at the product, at the meat. But the drip pan stays nice and cool, so the infrared heat is very directional. I don't know if you can see that right here, but the juices, the fats, are burning off and dripping down. Now, typically what we do inside is we cook on a skillet. So you're actually cooking the meat in its own fat, which provides a lot of flavor, but it also provides lots of smoke. And in a small space, you're always setting off the fire alarm. So nowhere around the device do I feel lots of heat.
And there's virtually no smoke.
And there's virtually no smoke. It's a nice looking unit. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can pick this up. Very economical. If you live in an apartment or a small space, or you just want a nice grill inside, this might be a nice thing to have. And a consistent 440 some odd degrees. So your meat should be cooked pretty much the same way throughout. Doing a little side burn on the fillets because they're thick. But my ribeye is looking pretty choice. So there is a nice bone-in ribeye and a dog. I'll let this rest for about 5 minutes. The two fillets are still, they're thick, so they're still sitting on the grill, but they're coming off soon too. Beautiful grill marks. Look at that juice just running down. Look at that. You want some steak, bruh? I like this shot because I have like a red hue on me. Proof is in the pudding. Wow. Juicy. medium rare ribeye here in about 15 minutes. Delicious. No smoke. Little to no smoke.
Yeah.
Right?
I can see you.
We can see each other. And just the juiciest steak. Wow. I'm not even gonna fool around anymore. I'm gonna eat. The Phillips smoke-free, smokeless, I'll put the part number and all that in the description. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Right, girl? So these handles here, this is about 2 seconds after the cook. The handles here are of a rubber material and they don't get hot. But if I pick it up and I look in there, there's the drip pan, right? Which stays cool. And after one cook, that just slides out. And these two pieces are very easily cleaned. And I'm really excited about this so far. So far, so good. All right, so day 2. Cooking up some sausages in the morning. So I cooked them for the 16 minutes, sliced them open, and the very center seemed to be pink. So I cut them up in little cylinders, if you will, little coins. There's the drip pan underneath, which slides out easily for cleaning. And this griddle is non-stick. So again, very easy for cleaning. All right, guys, again, proof is in the pudding. Nice, spicy Italian sausage. Very, very good. No smoke, no oil, no grease splatter. Very good taste. Percy, you can't have this. It's too spicy for you. You can't have it, bruh. Sorry. One thing that's a little different about foods I've noticed that are cooked on this infrared grill, they're hot when they're on the grill, and then quickly they're not as hot. So I don't know how that works with your resting period for meats like steak. You typically want to give a steak time to rest. I'm not sure, but you know, it's trial and error. But the first couple of cooks, results are great. This sausage is still warm. It's just not searing hot the way it would be off the skillet. But very nice. Right, Purse? Keep pushing play, y'all. We'll see you guys next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing play.